Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Again, thank you for watching my previous vlogs. So today I'm so happy because I've already reached 200 subscribers, and I am really thankful to all of you guys who are keep on subscribing to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate it. I didn't expect that I will reach 200 subscribers this early, and that's all. I really don't know what to say. I am really so thankful for all of you who kept on watching my videos and who subscribe to my channel. So, thank you so much, guys. I will try my very best to answer all your questions on my comment sections. And if you have other questions, you can just write in my videos and on the comment section on my videos, and I will try my very best if I can answer all of that. If I didn't have the informations that to answer all your questions, I will still do my best if I can do something about it. So thank you guys. I really hope that you will still watch my future videos. Okay, so today what I'm going to show you are my collections. This is one of my favorite, and as you can see, it's a US card. And this is my super favorite Land Rover Series 3 pickup. So I love collecting this brand of car, the Land Rover, because it's one of my favorite brand of cars. So this is from Baja Blazers, and the designer of this Land Rover Series 3 pickup is none other than, of course, one of the famous Dmitry Shakhmatov. And there's a lot of released I mean Land Rover Series 3 pickup, but I only have some of them. I didn't um I am not able to collect all of them yet because some of them are already not out in the market and or sold out in the market or in toy stores, and others are not available online. So what I'm going to show you today, what I do have, and I hope you enjoyed watching my video. Okay, so as you can see guys, this one I really like the color. I love the tampas on the cars, the Land Rover, Baja Blazers, Falcon, and of course the number 3 Hot Wheels. This is really cool. I also love the design in front of it. So that one. There you go. It's very cool. I really like it. I also like the color. It's I guess it's um tan, but it looks like a beige one. And of course I like the wheels, the extra wheel, and there you have it. Land Rover Series 3. Very cool. I really like it. There guys. And I'm so lucky because this one is a US card. So it's really hard to find a US card. So I bought this one online. That's the reason why it's a US card. So there the Land Rover logo is that hella wala, and of course the Falcon tires. I really like the Falcon. I start collecting those Falcon cars. I hope to have more of them, as well as the golf cars. I really like it. It's just that it's very few cars that have that design in the market lately, because it's one of the designs that collectors are love collecting also. So I hope I can have that. So that's it for this one. And the other one that I have is the other color of this Baja Blazers. As you can see guys, they have both the same type of wheel, which is the Baja 5. This is very nice too. Though I love the color of the first one that I've shown you, But this one is also cool. And it has a different design or color of the wheel. It's because of the white rim, white color on the rim. So, but overall, it's still nice, and because it's just the same with the first one. It's nice. I like it. There, guys. I don't have. Let me put something so they can stand. There. There you have it. And the next one that I have is the color light blue, and this one is a plain color, no design at all. But the headlights are a little bit detailed compared to the first one that I've shown you there, guys. So as you can see, there's no headlight on the first two, but this one, it has a headlights. I mean, the headlights are detailed, as well as the tail lights. So let me focus this one to you guys because it's very small. There, the Land Rover, and of course the Hot Wheels logo. Let me see this one there. It's cool. I really like this one. And this is the bottom. However, this one is not a US card. The second one is not a US card too, so only the tan color is the US card. So I can't let them stand anymore. There. Okay, the next one that I have here is the red color. Oh, I really like this red color. This is very nice. I like red colors for the cars because it's a color of my favorite Ferrari car. So, because it's very attractive too, of course. So, there you have it. And because, guys, I promised that when I reach 200 subscribers, I'm going to open 2 cars. So I've decided to open this one because it's one of my favorite cars. And so let's try to open this one. So this is very cool, guys. This is my second time unboxing my Hot Wheels. It's very cool. Okay. This is nice. Oh, very cool. I like it. I like the color red. Really, it's very nice. This is cool. Though the paint on the top is not that nicely done. Oh, there's a stain there. As you can see, it looks like a little bit messy. Actually, it's messy. So, there you guys. Let me focus that one for you guys. There. So, it's not that perfectly painted. As you can see there. But maybe because it's a tiny car, so it's really hard for them to paint it perfectly. So, let me focus this one, guys. There. Though some are really nice, painted so nice or neatly. Just this one. This is, yeah. There It's so nice to have it without the box. But of course, guys, I still love my cars to be to be on the box. But having these cars that are loose are also nice. So I know collectors love this or love their collections to be loose for them to be able to see how nice is the cars there. So very cool. I really like it. I like this extra wheel. And because I promised that once I've already reached 200, because the last time that I've reached 100 subscriber, wait guys, I'm going to show you the first one that I unboxed. So, like what I promised before, when I've started having 100 subscriber, I'm going to unbox one. So this is the first one that I've unboxed. The Lamborghini, my super favorite Lamborghini Miura. There, so it's very cool. So now I have two of them, guys. There, it's very nice. But I promise that if I've reached 200, instead of just one car that I'm going to unbox, I'm going to unbox two of them. So, since I only have four of them, and of course, guys, I want you to see that I'm going to open other cars. So, I'm not going to open two of them, but this one, because this one I really like it to be opened. It's because this one is a Jeep CJ-7 and it's a T-Hunt, as you can see there. That's the reason why I love this one to be open, because it's one of my favorite cars or trucks that I really love to lose. I want to see how nice it is inside. So let's try to open this one. This is one of my old collections that I have before. There, the logo. I super love it. These are one of the cars that I bought before. That's the reason why. Oh, this one is really nice. Guys, I really like the paint of this one. This is why I prefer this one to be open, because if it's a T-Hunt, so there is the T-Hunt logo. So if it's a T-Hunt, of course Hot Wheels will make this one better to the regular cars. So that's the reason why I choose this one to be opened, because it's very cool. I really like the paint there. It's very detailed. Oh, I love the wheels. And of course, the color of this one is really nice. I really like the orange color. Chrysler. This one is a Chrysler. But this one is a Jeep. So, let me check what's on the side. As you can see, guys. Oh, I'm not very familiar with this one, but as you can see here, it's a Jeep brand. Of course, there's a Chrysler Group LLC there. So there. So as you can see, vehicle model and trade dress or trademarks of Chrysler Group LLC and used under license by Mattel. Okay. So that explained why there's a Chrysler here. And of course, it's made in Malaysia. There. It's very cool. I really love this one, and now I can see it. I can see it without a box. It's very cool. I really like it. The orange color is so perfect. But wait guys, I'm going to zoom this one. There you have it. It's very cool. It's very nice. Jungle. Though this one is not so perfect. But overall, it's very cool and it's very nice. I really like this Jeep C7 because this one is really cool. Okay guys, so I know it's let me just put it here. There. Okay, let me zoom it for you guys. So we can see them all spinning and how good it looks. Okay. So there you have this one. And of course I'm going to include this because this is one of my favorite cars too. So let me just see it. Oh, it's very nice. And of course, my super favorite Lamborghini Miura. Let me see where I can put this one. It's so cool. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. This one is out of space. There, I really like it. I hope you enjoyed watching my videos. Guys, thank you so much for subscribing. I really hope that you will stay tuned to my channel and keep on watching my future vlogs. Thank you guys and see you on my next vlogs. Bye!